Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter number 1, Beyond the Earth. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about our universe, galaxy, solar system, sun and the different planets, satellite and your stars constellation. So, as you know, Mary loves to watch the sky right at night. So, the moon and the twinkling stars amaze her immensely and sometimes she tries to count the star but fails. So, she wants to know about lot about things about the sky. तो वो और कुछ चीज जानना चाहती है स्काई के बारे में. So for that we see the sun in the sky during the day. आपने देखा होगा हमें sun दिखाई देता है sky में during the daytime, right? And if we talk about in the night time, in the night sky, what we see? Moon and the twinkling stars. So are these all things located in the sky? No. There are many other things located in the sky that we cannot see. But you can see it with the help of what? Telescope. So all the natural bodies that are located in the sky, what we call them celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. Right? Let's study about the universe. So all the celestial bodies makes up our universe and millions of stars together form a galaxy. So there are millions of galaxies in the sky and they had different shapes. So the galaxy in which our solar system is located is called Milky Way galaxy. ये किस shape में होती है? Spiral shape में होती है, right? And it is interesting is that the exact size of the universe is unknown. अगर आप exact size की बात करें universe की तो वो हमें नहीं पता, right? So let's see about the solar system. First is I will tell you about the solar system and the different planets that we have. Like we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets, and the sun and the 8 planets with their satellite and various other heavenly bodies together makes what? Solar system. So first is sun, which is actually a star. Like all other stars, the sun is a big ball of hot burning gases and it is closest star to the earth. सबसे closest है, सबसे पास है. And what do we get? We get its heat and light है. Next is planet. If we talk about planet, what are planets? They are huge celestial bodies that move around the sun. And they do not have their own light. They get light from the sun. इनके पास अपनी लाइट नहीं होती. जिनको लाइट मिलती है वो किससे मिलती है? सन से मिलती है. And there are what? 8 planets in the solar system. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So Mercury, which is the smallest and the closest planet to the sun. Jupiter कैसा है आपका? Largest है. Neptune farthest है, दूर है, right? Next we have satellites. So what are satellites? Satellites are the body that moves around the planet. जो planet के around आसपास क्या करते हैं? Move करते हैं. They do not have their own light. They look bright because they reflect the light of sun. जो sun की rays फैल करते हैं उससे ही वो light reflect करती है. And the earth has only one natural satellite. What we call it? That is your moon. So the moon reflects the sunlight falling on it. Though it seems to be giving out its own light, it is mostly visible during night. ये कब visible होता है? Night में visible होता है. Next we have stars. A very, very big celestial body. They emit their own heat and light and the sun is the nearest star to our earth. Sometimes stars, they are arranged in a group and that makes various patterns. And what we call those patterns? That is constellation. For example, like Orion, the Hunter, Leo, the Lion, and the Ursa Major, the Great Bear. We have Proxima Centauri also, which is the next closest star to the Earth after us. So here, some quick revision question has been given to you. You have to do at your home, right? Like which is the closest star, largest planet of the solar system, and our solar system exists in this galaxy. Which galaxy our solar system exists? That you have to tell. Now, a chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.